During this session, we will consider the following. Organisation units, or org units, are a means of breaking the database down into logical units. This enables sites to be managed separately, prevents unnecessary controller downloads, and prevents operators from editing sites over which they should not have any control. In terms of operator privileges, when a particular operator logs into the administration software, it may be desirable to restrict the activity of that operator to particular parts of the system. For example, the building for which that operator is responsible. In this example, operators logging on locally at any of these 4 sites could each be restricted to their own site in terms of software administration. However, senior operators may be granted rights to administer all sites or org units, irrespective of which site they log on at. Keyholders in one organisation unit are given access to areas in other organisation units either by the use of the Guest Access tab or the Personal Access tab in the Keyholder screen. To apply an access group, in the Guest tab, you must first select the organisation unit in which the access group resides. To apply specific areas, in the Personal Access tab, click on the More button to reveal the areas in the other org units and apply the areas. You can decide whether or not to allow an operator to grant keyholder access to other organisation units. When creating keyholders in one organisation unit, access group and areas from other organisation units can only be applied to those keyholders where the permission boxes have been checked. For example, checking this box in an access group in org1 permits this access group to be allocated to keyholders in other org units. Similarly, checking this box in an area in org1 permits this area to be allocated to keyholders in all other org units. Operators may be assigned privileges that permit them to administer all organisation units in the system. Alternatively, their activity may be limited to just one or a selection of organisation and units. Note that a guest from another organisation unit cannot be made an operator unless you log onto that organisation unit and perform the operation from there. To save time in this demonstration, a new keyholder has been added to org unit 2. The following demonstration shows how this keyholder may be made an operator and granted different privileges for different org units. The permissions that this particular person has as an operator when logged onto the organisation unit 2 are listed. If you wish for this person to have operator access to other organisation units, select another unit from the list and assign a set of privileges.
There are many other helpful engineering videos available for PAC products. Thank you for watching.